morning! Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Good person, good life. Live and live, I'm here in Granville, Subdivision, Davao City, Catalunan, Pequeño. It's a wide housing area. Again, I would like to share to you my a day in Davao City, my strive for wellness. As usual, I love to have my morning exercise, simple as this, walking, or just a little jogging, going here and there. Okay, it's a wonderful one. Wow, it's so amazing. Going back and forth and doing some simple workout exercises for body wellness, body tone, slim waist, and small arms. Of course, the loose belly. Wow, it's a wonderful one. And